Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel. In this module I want to show you some really cool quick tips to get a sum of a list of data, to get the percentage of the total for each item in that list, and to highlight any blank rows that there are. So first of all, let me get rid of where it says no data. So to add up this list very quickly, if I select this list and use the Alt key and equals, it immediately does the sum function for me, and you can see it up there. Now if I keep that highlighted, you get this little tool at the bottom here, which is quick analysis. If you click on there, you get these different features: charts, totals, tables, spark lines, etc. So totals is what I want, and then if I move forward a little bit, I want percentage of total. So you can see that's given me the percentage of the total, and you can see that formula there that's been created. Now I can also get this blank space, all these blank spaces, to be filled by words, data. So what I want to do here is highlight the data list, or highlight it all, go to find and replace, and select this option, go to special, and what I want to do is highlight blanks. So if I click OK to that, it just highlights all the blanks. Now without clicking anywhere, you just type no data and press Control and Enter, and then that will populate all the other blank cells with whatever you've just typed, in this case no data. Okay, what I want to do now is use some custom formats, which you might not be aware of, which is quite cool, to put a tick or a cross depending on what the figure in here is. So I'm just going to do equals there and just select that, and then press enter and just fill that down, so just get exactly the same. Now the custom format that I want to use, I've already created it, so I'm just going to paste it here so you can see what I'm going to do. So if you're following along, you can just copy this basically. Now to do that, I want to highlight this set of data, which is just a duplicate of that. Go into the number area and custom format, get rid of all of that that's in there now, I don't want that, and then basically I'm going to type this. So anything that's less than 500 I want it to be red, and then that will be a pound, and then the word bad, and then a cross next to that, and then after that I want a semicolon on the word blue in square brackets, and then good in quotes, pound sign, a hash with a tick. That's all what I need to do. So first of all, square brackets red, and then square bracket less than 500. So that's what I want it to flag up as bad. So I want it in pounds, so a pound and then a hash. And then I need to put the word bad. I've done a space there, and that has to go inside quotes. Then the Windows full stop will get me these little icons that I want. I want the cross. So that's got me to there. Now I need to do a semicolon, and now a square bracket for the next colour I want, which is blue, close square bracket, open the quotes, do a space, type the word good, space again, close, and then another pound sign with the hash, and this time I want the tick. So let's go off onto that, do Windows full stop again, just click away from that, Windows full stop, get a tick. So that's the same, so that should work exactly the same. Just double check that everything is the same. I think it is. Then I click OK to that, and then it puts the word good and the figures like that. So that's just a bit of custom formatting that you might not know you can do, and then you've got this information there. So I could have put that format straight away on there, but I wanted to have a second column with that on.